Let's be honest. Noong unang nakita natin si Justine, ano nga ba ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin? Visual? Oo naman, mukhang K-pop idol eh. Bunso? Yes, ang baby ng grupo. Ang resident corny joker at taga-direct ng music videos, definitely. Pero dahil pinaliligiran siya ng mga vocal powerhouse tulad ni Stel at Pablo, marami ang nakalimot sa isang napakahalagang bagay. Justine DeJoss is a vocalist, and not just any vocalist. He is SB19's ultimate hidden weapon, the hidden main vocal. Balikan natin ang simula. Early days of SB19. Mapapansin mo talaga na nung una, pabulong o safe lang ang mga lines ni Ja. He was so nervous. Sobrang mahiyain palagay ko. Sabi nga niya sa mga lumang interview, lagi niyang kino-question ang sarili niya kung deserve ba niya ang spot sa grupo. Marami ring bashers noon, di ba? Sinasabi nila, visuals lang yan. Walang boses. At ang sakit nun, lalo na kapag bago ka pa lang at sinusubukan mong hanapin ang tunay mong kakayahan.
Kahit na ulay tumila na, sa akin ay patuloy pa. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. Oh, take me back to the start. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some covers share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. Twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, leaving life gets hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. Yeah, that someday it will lead me back to you. Would you believe? And why do I get so nervous when I look into your eyes? Butterflies can't stop me falling for you. And darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but I didn't think I'd find someone who is worth the wait of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I found the one I love. Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat nung una pa lamang, di na umasa, di na niwala.
Pero teka muna, hindi pwedeng puro drama at iyak na lang, di ba? Justine DeJoss yan eh. Iba ang tatak ng isang budya. Sa bawat oras ng practice, unti-unting hinaharap ni Ja ang takot niya. Idinadaan niya na lang ito sa biro at humor para maitago ang labis na kaba.
Yeah, let's get it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Ang galing sa math, oh. A, A 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ako ay determinado.
Mapapanood mo siya sa mga vlogs na kunwari, sintunado, nakikipag-asaran. Akala ng marami, joke time lang palagi ang pagkanta niya. Pero ang totoo, unti-unti na niyang kinakapa kung hanggang saan ang kaya ng boses niya. He was learning how to play with his range without the pressure of being perfect. Doon na nag-start ang magic. Hindi natin namamalayan habang nakafocus tayong lahat sa high notes nila. Si Justin, sobrang chill lang, pero patuloy na nag-i-improve sa background. Narinig nyo na ba nung nilabas niya ang suril? Shucks! Doon napatunayan ng marami na his voice is like warm hot chocolate on a rainy day. Sobrang lamig at punong-puno ng emosyon. At hindi lang yan. Unti-unti nang humaba ang lines niya sa mga kanta ng SB19. Ang dating pabulong, ngayon may sarili ng dynamics.
Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and
Best progression ever in P-pop ever.
Justin.
There hasn't been a better idol progression, I think, in the world
Yeah, it really hasn't.
than Justin's progression.
I do agree. His vocal development
Dude.
has been so freaking awesome.
ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang.
I don't think I've ever liked clean tone quality as much as I like with him. He doesn't have any huskiness. There's no kind of like there's no grounding quality in his voice. It's very angelic. It's very bright, very positive. And I love it. I usually am such a huge fan of husky voices, but his tone quality, there's something in it. There is something in it. And it's so pretty and resonant and like, it's so beautiful.
At eto na, ang rurok ng roller coaster natin. Sino ang mag-aakala na ang dating batang kabado sa mga mall tours, ngayon ay sumasabay na sa biritan?
Sa totoo lang po, ang hidden main vocal namin si Justin.
Ka ng puso, isipan, di na kita maiiwasan. Pag-ibig ko sana'y pagbigyan. Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Kahit na ulay tumila na, luha sa aking mata'y pag-uloy ka. That wish you link me to you till we want and lose the two. Nagdaanan ay hindi ko na alam kung paano pa ba ako magiging masaya. Sa akin ay hindi problema kung di nyo pa rin nakikita. Tinasaglay ko ang tiyan, hindi nyo makakakala. Papalayo, di nahihinto. Every day, I think the load gets heavy. Throw it away. The world is not Every day, I think the Lord gets heavy. Throw it away. The world alone times their way to break the curses of everybody say with us. And we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all.
Look at that confidence. Grabe ang control. Ang ganda ng placement ng boses. Maiiyak ka na lang talaga bilang fan kapag naalala mo kung saan siya nanggaling. All those years of self-doubt. All those hours of vocal training. Lahat yon nagbunga na. Isa na siya sa bumubuhay sa mga seryoso at tagos sa pusong emosyon ng kanilang mga kanta.
Image hit the move, trying to find a better cure that will surely lead to you till we want and lose the two. There's no groove within this music, no sign of your heart beating it. I'm alone. Yeah. Now that we got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded in our hearts and souls. Yeah, hearts and souls. Yeah. Know how I like it. I want you. Just like it. Yeah, yeah. Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede ba huwag mo na akong bitawan? Di ba kung mahal ka, di mo hayaang mawala ng masa. Alam kong pagod ka na.
Mula sa pagiging visuals lang, papunta sa pagiging hidden vocalist. At ngayon, isang certified true artist. Justin proved that you don't need to be the loudest singer in the room to make people feel your music. Minsan, ang pinakamalakas na impact ay nanggagaling sa pinakamalambot na boses. At para sa amin, Ja, you are no longer hidden. We see you, we hear you, and we are so incredibly proud of you.